Hi guys, welcome to Casual Things. So today I'm making one special dish with tropical fruit. It's chicken curry with coconut. So let's go and make some yummy tasty chicken curry today. Take chicken into a bowl and add some salt, turmeric and 3 tablespoons of chili powder. When spices are added, add 2 tablespoons of curd and mix the chicken well. Now add ginger garlic paste into chicken and mix well. When all the spices are mixed well, take the chicken into another bowl and add about 1 cup of water. Keep the mixture on low medium flame until the chicken becomes tender. So meanwhile our chicken is cooking on low medium flame, prepare for masala. So for that we need coconut, green cardamom, gasalu, star anise, cinnamon, cloves and coriander. Make fine paste of these ingredients. Now in pan add oil and onions. Now add bay leaves and salt into onions and mix onions well. Once the onions are turned brown, now add tomatoes. And curry leaves. Cook onions and tomatoes for a few seconds, then add masala paste to the curry. Mix it well on low medium flame. Now add salt as per taste, turmeric powder and chili powder. Once all the spices are mixed well, now add water. Keep the curry on low medium flame until one boil. Now add chicken to the curry and mix chicken into curry well. Cook chicken for a few minutes with lid on. Now chicken curry is ready to serve. I hope you like this recipe. For more interesting recipes and videos, please subscribe and like, and let me know what you think about this recipe in comment section.